Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our EQR employee account. So let's get started. So to log into your EQR employee account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for EQR employee login. And after searching for EQR employee login, now what you can do is just simply tap on this first option, which is about equity residential careers from Oracle. So just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now what you can do is just simply tap on the three-bar icon which is on the top right corner of your screen. So after tapping on the three-bar icon, now what you can do is just tap on I am an employee option which is on the bottom of your screen. So after tapping on I am an employee, now what you can do is just simply enter your user ID and password. After entering your user ID and password, now what you can do is just simply tap on sign in, and you'll successfully sign into your account. And if you don't understand this language, what you can do is just simply change your language. So just change it to your preferred language, and after doing that, just tap on sign in by entering your user ID and password, then tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, what you can do is just simply tap on forgot password. And after tapping on forgot password, you can create a new password for your account by resetting your account's password. So after creating a new password, just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created. After entering that new password that you have created, what you can do is just tap on sign in, and you'll successfully sign into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your EQR employee account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.